Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and first quick review of Redmi 812 smartphone. This is the latest and upcoming low budget smartphone by Xiaomi. So you can see, now quickly open the box. Okay, so in top here you can see it comes with Qualcomm octa-core processor and 5000 powerful milliamp hour battery. So here we get the box. Quickly check this out, what we get inside it. Okay, so here we get the SIM ejector tool, and here's the reading manuals. Keep this aside. So here's the font itself. Okay, so here's the font itself. You can see, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so here we get the USB Type-C cable. Okay, so here we get the USB Type-C cable, which is a very good thing. And this is the charger, and if we talk about its output, okay, it will give you 5 volt 2 ampere, so it's not a fast charger, but it supports 18 watt fast charging. Okay, so here's the phone itself. Come to the phone, keep this thing aside. So here's the phone, you can see. Okay, so here you can see the phone. Okay, it looks great. It is in a sky blue color. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top here we get the primary microphone. You can see this is the primary microphone, and on this side we get the volume up and down key and power on off button. Okay, and in bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, dual secondary microphone, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And here we get the SIM tray. So quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is a really good thing. It supports a dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot. And it has dual rear camera. You can see the flash over here in front. And this is the design, and you can see the branding of Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. It looks great. And in front it has 8 megapixel front camera, and here we get the Redmi branding over here. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.2 inch IPS LCD HD plus screen. It comes with 32 and 32 2GB internal storage variant. It has dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It comes with 5000 milliamp hour battery, which supports 18 watt fast charging. And if we talk about the software, it has Android Pie running on MIUI 11. And if we talk about the security, it has face unlock for better security. Okay, so I have set up the device. You can see the UI of Redmi 8 Dual. If we slide here, we get the shortcuts. Here you can see all shortcuts are available. And if we slide from bottom, we get the Google Assistant. And if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings are available, and brightness setting is also available, which is really good thing. Okay, so now quickly go to settings and check how many storage we get out of 32GB. So here we get 20.7GB available out of 32GB. And here you can see the system storage, which is about nearly 9GB. and the cleaner is also available, which is a really good thing. You can clean storage, junk files and cache. And if we talk about its software, it is running on Android version 9 Pie. And if we talk about the MIUI version, it is running on MIUI Global 11.0.2 stable version. And the Android security patch level is of 1.1.2020. And here we get all specs. You can see RAM is showing here, 3 GB is available, model, CPU, baseband version, kernel version, internal storage and status. Okay, so now quickly check its face unlock performance. If we talk about its face unlock performance, I see and it unlock. Okay, I am not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay, try again. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Guys, I would like to say the face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. You can see I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay guys, I would like to say the face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about its camera performance, it has a dual rear camera. And if we talk about the UI of camera, in top, if we tap here, we get the settings, pocket mode, camera sounds, focus and shoot, scan QR codes, mirror front camera, picture quality, high, standard, low, and additional settings you can see. And if we talk about the anti-banding, it supports up to 60 Hz. Okay, and if we tap here, we get filters and beauty feature is also available. And if we tap here, okay, so Google Lens is also available. You can see the Google Lens is also available, which is a really good thing. And this is the AI camera, HDR, tap to turn it on, auto and off. Something like laggy. And this is the flash, tap to turn in on, auto, torch and off. And if we slide from right, we get the portrait mode, pro mode. And if we slide from left, we get the video mode. And if we talk about the video, okay, it captures up to full HD, it records up to full HD 30 frames per second, which is a really good thing. And if we go in settings, okay, so it records up to full HD at 30 frames per second, and short video feature is also available. Okay, so now I quickly take a photo and check its picture quality performance. Okay guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. I would like to say camera quality is really good. Take another photo. Here you can see camera quality is really good. According to this price range, the camera quality is really good. And if we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. I would like to say, let's take another photo. So you can see, guys, I would like to say the camera quality is good. It is really good. Here you can see If we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality of photo. You can see we didn't lose details. Camera quality is really good. So guys, this is the unboxing and first quick review of Redmi 8 Dual smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.